How to cancel your HelloFresh subscription from desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to cancel your HelloFresh subscription, well here is how to do it easily from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for HelloFresh. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the HelloFresh. So here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in, you simply have to click on your profile icon or name at the top right and then select account settings. And there you simply have to find and click on manage subscriptions or subscription and billing option and there you simply have to click cancel subscription after that on the next page and follow the prompts to confirm. And after that you might be asked to provide feedback or a reason for cancellation. So you can do it and cancel your membership on HelloFresh. And that's it. Now, with that, your subscription will be cancelled. And remember, you can restart anytime. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.